Initially I have to set my view somewhere here and go to Insert Components, drop down menu and select the new part. Select this plane, select the center line, select this origin, and somewhere here to get this yellow icon, which means horizontal. Escape, select this line, this point, and hold Ctrl key at the keyboard and select this circle. Make them coincident. Select OK. Select the line from this point to here and from there to here and to this point, and select Escape. Select Smart Dimension from this line to this line here and type 16. Escape. Select this line and select Construction Geometry. Features: Revolved Boss. Axis of revolution, select this line and select OK.